Welcome to the new episode of Vyarth channel. Our next match is Royal Challenger Bangalore versus Kings 11 Punjab. So without wasting your time, let's start. Before we start, here is some info. This video is sponsored by Code Predators. Code Predator is a company that makes website and provide online services including web maintenance, front-end development, back-end development and many more in very low prices. They launched their website today itself. The link will be given in the description. Go check that out. And don't forget to ask for the 10% discount. The much awaited clash between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kings 11 Punjab takes place at the Dubai International Stadium on 24th September. Both the teams are playing their second match of the tournament and will come to the field with different feelings and mindsets. Royal Challenger Bangalore, probably in an optimistic mood after snatching an improbable win over Sunrisers Hyderabad in a close match. Whereas Kings 11 Punjab came after a heartbreaking one-run defeat at the hands of Delhi Capitals, a loss that their batsmen were responsible for, throwing it away by hitting over ambitious and reckless shots after they seemed to have the match in control, needing only one run in 3 balls. This match will be played at the Dubai International Stadium, which is known to assist slow bowlers and has a low bounce. It also favors batsmen especially in the first innings. The outfield is fast but gets sluggish in the second inning due to the dew factor. The average run rate per over is 7.13. Highest first inning score on this ground has been 211 and the highest successful run chase has been 180. No batsman has touched a 3-figure mark here, with the highest individual runs scored have been 84. There is no possibility of rain and the temperature is expected to remain around 35 degrees Celsius. Conditions were hot and humid and will test the fitness and stamina levels of all players. During their match with SRH, RCB must have realized that Umesh Yadav, though unlucky, leaked too many runs. Moreover, with the slow nature of the pitch, it would be wiser to play a spinner in his place. Kohli to open the innings with Padikkal. RCB seemed to have blundered in keeping only one specialist wicketkeeper in their squad, as they have no makeshift wicketkeeper among its local players, which means Josh Philippe will play all matches. If De Villiers agrees, then the balance can be improved as only 4 overseas players are allowed to play. Playing 11 is showing here. I feel Punjab should take a risk in playing the beast Chris Gayle, as he can win the match for them if in the zone. Pooran also was a flop in the previous match and needs to be rested. Playing 11 is showing here. Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers with their world-class batting, Moeen Ali with his all-round efforts in intelligent and economical bowling is the ideal on the slow and low bounce tracks. He can be useful batsman too. Dale Steyn with his raw pace can shake up any batsman with his consistent pace of 145 kmph that can rattle most of the batsmen. Young Padikkal has impressed with his stroke play and the bold confidence approach. He can be instrumental in laying a strong foundation for Kohli and De Villiers to launch an attack. Washington Sundar is another dark horse who thrives under pressure. He bowls smartly and is a useful low-order batsman who puts a price on his wicket besides being a precise fielder too. Chris Gayle and KL Rahul at the top can demolish any attack when in form. Mayank Agarwal has proven his mettle by performing consistently as well as being an efficient close infielder. Glenn Maxwell is a potential match winner and can turn a match on its head by his all-round efforts. Sarfaraz Khan is grossly underrated. He plays smartly and confidently under pressure and has bailed out his team Mumbai in many Ranji Trophy matches. In fact, I see him wearing the Indian cap in near future. Kohli de Villiers with their world-class batting can dominate any attack and change the course of the match. Steyn with his explosive pace and variation can make breakthrough and provides inroads for other bowlers to attack. Glenn Maxwell with his superb all-round ability can win a match almost single-handedly. KL Rahul and Gale, if in the mood, can murder any attack and give their team a flying start. I am backing the promising young pacer Ishant Porel to trouble the RCB batsman with his sharp pace and intelligent variation of swing and seam. I predict a close match but have a feeling Kings 11 Punjab will make it to the winning post. So that's all from our side. This article was written by Mr. Rajesh Kashyap, Wearth member. If you like this video, then please hit that subscribe button and tell your playing 11 in the comment section. And don't forget to check out Code Predators. We'll see you all in the pre-match video of CSK versus Delhi Capitals. Till then, watch our other videos. Thank you.